Alright, making a recording of the sewer line here from the roof. Pull back. We got old concrete pipe here. All this pipe is open. Now we're getting back to where the clog occurred. So, see, that's a root. There's a root growing in the sewer right there. That's what caused our clog and is what's causing this kind of buildup here. So, coming back up the vent now. So as of now, the line's open and flowing. That root does need to be dealt with. Clean out access installed outside so that the line can be maintained. And the recording there.